Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and tips for freelancers. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of freelance translation jobs. If you possess a language flair and dream of transforming it into a rewarding career, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials to excel in freelance translation. Let's get started. Before we explore the specifics, let's address the fundamental question: what is freelance translation? Freelance translation involves providing professional translation services on a project basis. As a freelance translator, you enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere, choose your clients wisely, and set your rates. Now, let's uncover the key steps for triumphing in the realm of freelance translation. Step 1. Master your languages. The initial stride is to become a proficient linguist. Fluency in multiple languages is essential, but it's equally crucial to grasp their cultural nuances. Dedicate time to enhance your language skills through courses, immersion programs, or even living in a country where your target language is spoken. Step 2. Specialize and define your niche. Standing out in the competitive freelance translation market necessitates specialization in a specific field. Whether it's legal, medical, technical, or literary translation, choosing a niche empowers you to develop expertise, establish a reputable image, and attract clients seeking your unique skills. Step 3. Build an impressive portfolio. As a freelance translator, your portfolio acts as your resume. Craft a professional website or utilize reputable platforms to showcase your previous translation projects. Highlight the diversity of your work, share positive client feedback, and emphasize any relevant certifications or qualifications you hold. Step 4. Establish a professional online presence. In the digital age, online visibility is paramount. Leverage social media platforms, professional networks, and freelance marketplaces to create a robust online presence. Engage with the translation community, share valuable content, and proactively seek potential clients. Step 5. Foster strong client relationships. Cultivating solid relationships with clients is vital for freelance success. Deliver high-quality translations promptly, maintain open and transparent communication, and consistently strive to surpass client expectations. Satisfied clients can become loyal patrons and valuable sources of referrals. And there you have it. Freelance translation offers boundless opportunities for language enthusiasts to transform their passion into a flourishing career. By mastering your languages, specializing in a niche, building a stellar portfolio, establishing an online presence, and nurturing client relationships, you'll be well on your way to unlocking success in the world of freelance translation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy translating!